Hi guys, a very warm welcome from Arjati Creations. This is our new modeling course, that is the clay modeling course that we are going to be starting now. In this clay modeling course, we will be doing about 5 projects. The first is a fridge magnet, the second is figurines, the third are keychains, the fourth we'll be doing is hair clips or paper clips. Then we'll be creating a small kind of a hanging thing. So for this, there was a lot of confusion about the various products or the raw material that is required. I will be explaining each and every material that we require for these projects in detail today. So let me start explaining. The first thing that we need for this is a molded. Now this is a Fevicryl molded. It is easily available in any craft shop near your place, or you can also pick it up from Amazon. Now Fevicryl molded, this is an 800-gram pack. Now this 800-gram pack is going to be very useful because we will be needing a lot of it when we are doing the projects. Even smaller packets of 50 grams are available, but then you'll need to buy lots of them. That is why it is preferable that you can go in for this big pack. For some people who are not in India and live abroad and are having difficulty in securing molded, you can use other forms of clay that are available, but the final product might vary a little bit in the as compared to molded. So this is the main ingredient. Let me now tell you the second thing. The second thing that we need for the magnets are wooden pieces. These are wooden pieces of circle and square. Okay, now lot of times you may not get these wooden pieces. Now in case these wooden pieces are not available, not to worry, we can even use cardboard for it. Okay, so if they are easily available, you can pick up the wooden pieces, or we'll go for cardboard. Now the next is the keychain. Now these kind of wooden keychains are available where a wooden piece is attached to the keyring. Now if this is easily available near your house, it is fine. In case this is not available, you can go in for a keychain. You can see, I'll bring it closer, this type. Now this type of keychain rings are available, otherwise you can take it out from any old keychain that you have, even that is fine. So 1 or 2 pieces of these, 1 piece of these. If this is not possible, if you can arrange for the keyring, I will teach you how to attach it. Instead of this wooden piece, we'll make something out of molded to make your keychain ready. So this is necessary if you want to make keychains. Now the third thing that we'll be requiring is that for girls, they can use these normal black clips. Otherwise also, you will need paper clips. Now these are easily available paper clips. 3-4 of these paper clips is what we'll be learning next in the third project. So these are required. Another important thing that we'll need for the magnet is that we will need 3 to 4 pieces of the magnets. These magnets are easily available in a stationery store near your house. You can pick them up because they will be attached to the wooden pieces or to the cardboard pieces to make them proper fridge magnets. Then what you will need is white glue. Now any thick white glue is required. You can go for a Fevicol MR. If that is not available and you have fabric glue, even that is fine. Any other white glue you have in your house, that is also fine. The only thing that we need is we need a thicker consistency white glue. A thinner glue will make it a little messy for us to stick it. So the thick quality white glue is what we will need. Next, normal things that you have in the house, you'll need pencils, pens. Now a rounded kind of a pen will be needed because we need to roll. So if you have a roller like this, it is fine. If you don't have, nothing to worry. You can use any kind of a rounded pencil also. That is fine. Okay. There was a doubt by a lot of people whether they need tools for molding. I will not be using any tools while we are doing this course. If you have them, you can use them. If you don't have them, we will use the normal things that we get in the house to do majority of our projects. Next, a ruler. Ruler is a must, we'll need ruler. Then paper cutter. You will need a paper cutter. So you can take a normal ordinary quality paper cutter from any stationery near your house. Next is plastic sheets. Now plastic sheets are a must. You can use old plastic sheets of any kind. You can cut squares, a little bigger squares, about 12 centimeter by 12 centimeter squares, and keep few plastic sheets by reusing the plastic that is available with you. Plastic sheets are necessary. Then you will need a cardboard piece. Any old cardboard piece will be needed. So please keep a cardboard piece ready with you. Other than that, we will need powder. Now, you will need some kind of a powder. If you have chalk powder easily available at your house, you can use chalk powder. If chalk powder is not available, not to worry, you can use talcum powder. Now here I have the Pounds powder. Any company powder, any company talcum powder is fine. Any ordinary good, any powder you have, we will need that when we are doing our process. You will need an old cloth. Old cloth should be there. For painting, you can wear your aprons. Now the next thing that we need is paints. Now I don't have the packet of 12. In case you have acrylic paints, Fevicryl acrylic paints available with you, it is fine. If you are a beginner and you don't have any acrylic paints available with you, you can buy a pack of 12. So acrylic paints pack of 12, especially we will need white color, black color, we'll need all of those colors. So if you don't have any acrylic colors, a pack of 12 will be good. So this, let me show you again. This is normal Fevicryl acrylic colors. There is a pack of 12 which is available. You can buy that. Other than the Fevicryl colors, you will need brushes. Now if you already have brushes in your house, it is fine. If you don't have brushes in your house, you will need especially the number 2, 4, 6, you will need the thin brushes. One thin brush is required, whether it is 0 number, 00. So few brushes you can buy, or if you have in your house, you can use them. The next thing that we will require for this is a normal scissors. For making a hanging, we will require popsicles. Now you can see these ice cream sticks. Now I have colored ice cream sticks with me, not necessary. You can even buy the non-colored ice cream sticks, or you can pick up ice cream sticks in any light color if they are available, or you can buy plain ones and you can color it if you need. So ice cream sticks, we'll need approximately 20-25 of them. So that small packet of those ice cream sticks is necessary. And we will be needing a thread like this. Any thread, any thick thread, jute thread, cotton thread that you have in your house is required for this. So basically these are the things that are required by us. If you have anything to give an impression like disposable fork, disposable spoons, yes, one more thing that you will require is a toothpick. I don't have a toothpick right now, but you will here. You'll need some pieces of toothpicks. 2-3 toothpicks are important when we are making these projects. So few toothpicks you should keep handy with you. So these are the things that we will be needing broadly. Now if you have any confusion about any of these, you can mention your doubts in the comments below the video. I will try to address all of them. Most of these stuff will be easily available. You should keep your table ready by putting an old paper and your plastic sheets when we are starting the projects. So looking forward to the projects when we start. I will be announcing a detailed schedule also for this. So largely we will be doing it with pre-recorded videos and live sessions. We will be having approximately 4 to 5 live sessions and approximately 2 to 3 videos. So I will be putting the schedule of the live sessions and the pre-recorded sessions in a day or so on the groups itself. So stay tuned and thank you and bye-bye.